So we source our rare earth raw materials mainly from China, as that's the single largest producing area for rare earths today. But we also look to support ventures outside of China and help them to become viable. Today we have a strategic vulnerability in terms of overdependence on the Chinese market. It's important that non-Chinese alternatives become established, become accessible, and so we're very active in supporting those ventures to become viable. Before 2017, we were buying all our neodymium as metal. However, from 2017 onwards, we introduced this process on site to commercially make our own neodymium metal. The advantages of that are twofold. One is, first of all, we're one of the very few people in the world outside of China who can make neodymium metal. So the fact we have that capability, that expertise on site is a very important addition to our skill set. But it also gives us a lot more opportunities for sourcing non-Chinese rare earths. It's relatively easy to obtain neodymium oxide from outside of China, whereas neodymium metal is pretty much exclusively a Chinese material. So now we have more options for our sourcing as a result of making our own metal.